Good morning, my name is Lucia Crichton and I will be showing you today how to make a festive Christmas wreath here at Hampton Court Palace. Now my family are grace and favour residents here at the Palace, so we've been able to get all this lovely greenery from the gardens here. I've got some holly, some ivy and lots of nice evergreen wintry plants which will look lovely on the wreath. So the first step is to get your wire frame and to start weaving greenery in and out to build up the shape of your wreath. This will be the foundation for all the colours that are to come next. Once you have your green base, you want to start thinking about adding some colour. So I've got some nice holly berries, some mistletoe and some variegated holly as well. And just start adding it into the ring and building it up gradually. The next stage is to add some lovely smelling additions to your wreath. So we have some cinnamon sticks and some dried orange as well. So for the orange, simply thread it through and then attach to your wreath. Final step is to attach your ribbon to the wreath. I've gone for a jolly red to bring out the berries even more. So you want to attach this to the underside of the wreath, nice and secure. And there you have your finished festive wreath to bring some Christmas cheer to your home.